Welcome back. In this lecture, we are diving into an essential topic: why business acumen is a must-have skill for every project managers today. So why business acumen matters for project managers? Today's project managers must look beyond traditional metrics to understand the broader business context which their project operates. Connect projects to business success. So business acumen enables project managers to align project outcomes with organizational goals and demonstrate tangible value to stakeholders. So when you understand business drivers, so you earn executive trust and position yourself for advancement opportunities beyond project management. So traditionally, project managers were judged by how well they manage their tasks, timelines, and budgets. If a project was delivered on time and within a budget, it was seen as a success. But today, expectations have evolved. So the project managers need to understand the business goals, drive measurable value, make strategic decisions that benefit the company. So here is the truth. Many project managers, even very skilled one, struggle to grow into leadership roles because they don't speak the language of business. So they can describe tasks and milestones, but when executives ask, what is the return of investment or ROI of this project, or how this helps meet strategic goals, they freeze. So when you have business acumen, you can connect project work to revenue, profit, or customer growth, explain project value in business terms, win faster support from leadership, and importantly, you move from being seen as a project manager or project doer to a project driver. For example, instead of reporting phase 2 of the project is complete, or this part, so you can mention the left side, like technical. Instead of technical update, you mention like phase 2 completed with all deliverables meeting expectations, specifications. The system implementation is 85% complete and on schedule. All user acceptance testing has been completed successfully. But if you communicate the business impact, like customer retention boosted by 15%, generating 500K in revenue, process improvements, reduce operational costs by 250 annually. So in the right side, I am mentioning here. So new features increase customer acquisition rate by 22%. So it see the impact, the difference. So why business savvy PMs get ahead? Because business savvy projects are trusted with bigger, higher visibility projects, promotion to leadership roles, strategic decision-making opportunities. So they become essential partners to executives, not just task managers. So that's why the key takeaways here, the why business acumen matters, and what we are building for you throughout this course. In the next lecture, we will talk about a powerful mindset shift, thinking like the CEO of your projects. So hopefully you will see in that lecture.